to be able to mobilize themselves.
ត្រេនកបត
Every year in Laos
Nè.
there are still
អូត្រេនកបតហើយត្រេនសំឡូត ត្រេនសំឡូតមកដល់ស្រុកអាមេរិកហ្នឹងតែតម្លាក់លេខតម្លាក់ទីតាំងអាសំឡូតហ្នឹងនៅណាបាត់ដំបងហ៎
COPE has seen its funding from Washington translates to
Train
less
some
cost
load.
studies being made, less physiotherapy work for those who have been
Bye.
affected by American bombs,
4
and a harder life for
5
amputees.
6 7
funding
Bye.
how will you raise funds for your work in future?
Train some load. មកប្រអប់នេះមាន
organization
មានបានដុំ
set up to help parents
មាន
to support this,
2
which are
Ti
dong
dong.
the people who are living in the rural areas that
ថាកន្លះគីឡូចាស់
Since
25 ដុល្លារ
America has invested over 390 million US dollars in unexploded ordnance or UXO work, covering
Bye,
demonetizing
Blackson.
public safety education